the ENERPAT Two Ram Baler, the heavy-duty solution for high-volume metal recycling. As a British brand waste expert, it handles waste cardboard and more. Feed materials via conveyor. Compress with powerful force. And output dense, tight bales to cut costs. Equipped with intelligent touch control and imported automatic wire tire, it handles not only waste cardboard, but also plastic bottles, woven bags, aluminum profiles, industrial and domestic waste. Choose ENERPAT Two Ram Baler, a trusted British brand.